The Enchanted Forest Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between towering mountains and a dense forest, lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily had always been fascinated by the stories of the enchanted forest that lay beyond the village. The forest was said to be filled with magical creatures, hidden treasures, and ancient secrets. One sunny morning, Lily decided to explore the enchanted forest herself. She packed a small bag with some food, a map, and her favorite book of fairy tales. As she entered the forest, she felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. The trees were tall and thick, their branches forming a canopy that filtered the sunlight into a soft, green glow. As Lily ventured deeper into the forest, she heard the sound of a gentle stream. Following the sound, she came across a beautiful, crystal-clear river. To her surprise, she saw a group of tiny, glowing fairies dancing above the water. The fairies noticed Lily and, with a twinkle in their eyes, invited her to join their dance. Lily danced with the fairies, feeling lighter and happier than ever before. After the dance, the fairies led Lily to a hidden path that wound through the forest. Along the way, she encountered talking animals, each with their own stories and wisdom to share. A wise old owl told her about the ancient tree of knowledge, which held the secrets of the forest. A mischievous squirrel guided her to a hidden cave filled with sparkling gems and treasures. As the sun began to set, Lily reached the heart of the forest, where the ancient tree of knowledge stood tall and majestic. The tree's bark was covered in intricate carvings, and its leaves shimmered with a golden light. Lily approached the tree and placed her hand on its trunk. Suddenly, she was filled with a sense of understanding and connection to the forest and its magic. The tree revealed to Lily that the true treasure of the forest was not the gems or the secrets, but the friendships and experiences she had gained along the way. With a heart of gratitude, Lily thanked the tree and returned to the village, promising to return to the enchanted forest one day. From that day on, Lily shared her adventures with the villagers, inspiring them to explore the wonders of the enchanted forest and discover the magic within themselves.